In this tutorial, we're going to create a video using Spark Video. Make sure you refer to the course content to view the video I made so you can see a short and sweet finished project. Here we are again in our familiar Spark home screen. Again, I'll click the blue plus button at the top to get started. On the right-hand side, I'll choose the drop-down and select Video. I will put my title in here. You can most certainly change this later. Spark Video has templates available for us, but I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch. Give it a second to make a little magic. And here we are at our workspace. Our options for video are located on the right-hand side. I can choose a layout for my video slides. I can choose an overall theme that will apply to the video as a whole. I can also resize, and I can add music. Spark has some music options to choose from, or I can upload my own. For now, I'm going to go ahead and mute that. Down at the bottom, we see our video slides. Additional slides can be added simply by clicking the plus button. Rearranging the slides is done by clicking, holding, and dragging the slides into the order you want them to be in. Depending on which layout I choose for my slide, I'll get different options for the slide. If I click on the little plus icon located on the slide, Spark Video tells me what my options are. While what I can add usually remains the same, the placement may differ. Since we created a title slide graphic with post, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my title slide here in video. As you'll remember, I already downloaded that to my computer in the last tutorial. I went ahead and put it in a folder so I could easily find it. Because of the size we chose in post, this graphic fits perfectly. Adding an icon is done the same way in video as it is done in post. So if you need a refresher on that, please be sure to check the previous video. For this video, I want to focus on some of the new things. Right now, I'm going to add a video. You can download videos from websites such as pexels.com, but I actually have my own footage. As soon as I add the video I want, I'm immediately presented with a new screen. By moving the handles at the bottom of the screen, I can choose which part and how much of the video I'd like to use. Right now, I'm using 3 seconds of the video. If I drag the handles, I can change that. Once I'm satisfied, I'll click Save in the top right-hand corner. And here it is. I can view just this slide by clicking the play button over here. And maybe I decide I don't quite like that cut. By clicking on the pencil on the slide and then the scissors, I can go in and readjust my cut. And it gets updated just like that. Since I plan to use music in my video, I want to mute the audio that came with this clip, and I can do that here. Spark Video also allows you to add your own narration. By clicking on this red button in the middle with the microphone on it, I can record my voice. You do have to click and hold while recording, so I recommend clicking and holding, waiting about half a second, recording, and then waiting about half a second again before letting the mouse button go. This way, the narration doesn't have an abrupt ending or beginning. Let me show you. We were so close, we got to feel the heat. We can listen back to it. We were so close, we got to feel the heat. If I don't like the narration and want to change it, all I need to do is record it again. My slide length will adjust automatically depending on the length of my narration. If I decide I don't want narration at all, I can remove it by clicking on the slide length and selecting Remove Narration. Spark Video also has a couple of tunes to choose from for background music. My main piece of wisdom regarding this is that if you plan to use music as well as narration, make sure the music doesn't overpower the narration. This slider at the top will help you control the volume. The volume of the music will differ depending on how loud the narration is that you recorded. Once you're ready to view the video, you can do so by clicking the play button down on the left side or by selecting Preview at the top. Once you're ready, you can download your video onto your hard drive. You can also invite others to collaborate or choose to publish it, just like with Spark Post. Again, you have the option of creating a link. Once that link is created, you can choose to copy it and share it. So that's a really quick overview of Spark Video. Have fun creating. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development on the Adobe Education Exchange. And click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.